soir, monsieur. Ah, Léon Tigre. OK, allez. Tout le monde, allez, reste. Allez, allez, tout de suite, allez. En place. Good boy, sit down there. Grenade, there's a good boy. Then it will Peter, there's a good Engelbert, Grenade, there's a good boy. Harry on the top. Harry's son, turn around. Right, Syria. Up, fine, you made it. Come on, that's fine. Thank you very much. Hey. Je suis le papa. Yeah, well, je suis le chef de Peruche. Chef de Peruche. Jean-Claude, allez. Jean-Claude de Paris. Up. Jean-Claude. Up, fine. Up. Great stuff. Come on, man. Merci beaucoup. Up, plus. Harry. Easy, Harry. Harry, Tutsi. Harry, up, pull, good iron. Up, pull, pull. Voilà. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Pleasure. Vous êtes le meilleur public nous avons ce soir. Super. Wait a minute. You realize you're living today. I'm happy to say, in the good old bad old days. Maurice, embrasse-moi. Tu vas encore manger de l'ail. The old bad old days. Come on, Sam. Tout le monde, applaudissements. Way back when, whoa, I'd rather stay right here with the cold days and go through that. Give me out and you win. You lose or you win in the good old bad. That's fine. Thank you for the play. Anyway, good boy. We're living on time. Allez, tout de suite, monsieur, allez. Allez, marchez. Allez, vite. Up here. One. There's a Maurice one. Up one. Up. Yeah. How happy to say in the good old bad old days. Allez, Maurice. Allez, go on, allez. Come on, Freddie, up. Freddie. There's a good boy. Sit down. Sit out the ladder. Keep going. C'est très bien. Merci beaucoup. All right, sit. Hey, Boris, c'est fini. Come and sit. Ici, à place. Hey! Freddie, hop. Allez, en place. Non, hop. Hey, Freddie. Ça suffit, allez. Allez, en place. Sit down. No, no. Come here, son. There's a good one. Come on. Quickly. Ah, I got you this time. No. One touch. Up. Prancer, up one. Yeah. Oh. Thank you. Hey. Nevertheless, I think you gotta confess that the good old bad old man living today. I'm happy to say in the good old bad old day. Wait a minute. Freddie Halfpenny. Freddie Halfpenny écoute. Pas de soir. C'est le camion, hein, la voiture. Madame et monsieur, maintenant, madame et monsieur. The fool, huh? The stupid. Wait a minute. Freddie Halfpenny, s'il vous plaît. Pas de soir. Sit on the car. What's for the guy? Freddie Halfpenny, that's... Right, sit. No. Okay, ça suffit, hein? Ça suffit. Make a man. Look. Quand je dis sit on the car, you sit on. Hi! Let's get some. Everybody, come on. Come on, everybody, come on. Make a man. Peter. Allez, Peter. René, here comes the ship. Edit. Come on. Up, right, go! That's it. That's one. Up, five. Yeah. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Tenez. Quand j'ai dit 1, 2, 3, va t'asseoir. C'est la boîte, OK? Quand j'ai dit 1, 2, 3, allons, Losky. Allons, Losky. In, go quick. In. C'est bien. Hop.